How excited am I right now? Must have done 50 reviews on this channel at least. One of the first reviews ever done on this channel, apart from metal detecting and stuff in the past, one of the first ever reviews was for Nilaqua towel off shampoo. Now, out of all the products we've ever been sent, this is the only product I have used every day since doing that review.
I must say, since doing that review though, you paid for that and you were so impressed you wanted to do a review.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wasn't sent it originally.
No, I was. No, they sent me some and they said, if you ever need any more, just tell us and we'll send you some. But I thought, you know what, I'm willing to pay for it. You've been kind enough, you sent me these out.
Oh, is that what happened?
So I reviewed it, and then when I ran out, I just carried on buying my own. Now,
anyone who watches this regularly will... I can't say that word. Will know Dan actually uses this every morning. Every single morning, don't you?
The thing about living in a motorhome is you cannot shower every day, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So you have to just wash yourself as well as you can, and this is the way to go.
Yes.
So I have been buying this stuff, and that one bottle, which is 500 litres, will last me for 3 months. So I buy 4 of them every year.
Yeah.
Okay?
You buy bulk, don't you?
Which is not bad for doing your hair for a year, just 4 little bottles.
Yeah.
But the company got in touch with me a couple of weeks ago and says, I don't know if you remember us, but you did a review for us about 5 years ago. And I looked it up, it was 5 years ago.
Wow.
5 years I've been using this every day. I said, of course I remember you, because I hold the world record for washing your hair faster than anyone else in the world using towel off shampoo.
Yeah.
I believe I did it in about 8-9 seconds. So they got in touch, they says, look, we've got new products now. Pits and Bits. Pits and Bits.
I quite like that name. It's quirky, isn't it?
It's a brilliant name.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant name. So the 2 products we got before were Nilaqua. That's
the company, isn't it?
Yeah, well, this is the old company. Yeah, it's it's aimed at the medical side, especially, you know, if you're an old person in a wheelchair and you can't get in the shower and things.
Bedridden people.
Brilliant for that.
Yeah.
Brilliant for old people. Yeah, I think it's a fantastic product for that. But again, I always said it's good for people who live in a motorhome or a van.
Yeah. But it didn't start off as that. But now it's gone to different direction, hasn't it?
Well, now they're aiming at people who go camping.
Yeah, festivals.
And you could class motorhomers and van lifers as people in that category.
Yes.
So they've come out with a rebrand, new products, does the same kind of thing, you know, not going to lie, but they've made, like, that is 500 millilitres, the biggest they do in the Pits and Bits range, which I think is fantastic. Pits and Bits. You know, it's clever, it's funky, and they're aiming at festival goers and campers and stuff. The biggest one they're doing this is, I think it's 200 millilitres, and it's so that you can carry it easily in a backpack.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a bit heavy to be carrying in a backpack.
This is a new product. This has been sent to us. This isn't like the old bottle.
Is it not?
No. If you hold that, I can... Well, bear with me in a minute. I'll go and get the old bottle.
Go get the old bottle. No, it's the same product, Mazzy.
Yes, it is the same product, just a different bottle,
500 ml, 200 ml.
Yeah.
So it is the same product. Anyway, we're not here to talk about Nilaqua today. Absolutely brilliant products. Them 2 are in our cupboards. We use them daily.
Yeah, I still use this.
And now we've got another body wash for you to use, Mazzy.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I like the body wash. You like the hair stuff, don't you?
Yes. Now, so these are the 3 products they're trying to promote now as a rebrand, Pits and Bits. So, let's start with my favourite shampoo towel off. No water required. That's the beauty of this thing. So, I'm going to very quickly show you how it works. Open it. See my hair? You don't even have to be over a sink because it doesn't go on the floor.
No.
Especially if you've got short hair like me. It is brilliant. So you just dab a little bit on. You don't need much at all.
It does froth up, doesn't it?
Can you see it frothing?
Yeah.
Bring it up to a froth. I'm not going to use too much because I want to use this myself.
Yeah.
So you bring it up to a froth. And towel it off. It's as simple as that. And I do that every single morning, and that is me now. Clean hair. I swear it does. You don't look greasy. I look as if I've washed my hair every single day. It is brilliant stuff. Highly recommended. I do think it depends on what kind of hair type you've got, because I do know people I've recommended this to and they've said it's good, it cleans my hair, but it doesn't quite work with their hair. I think it is a bit of a, you know, each to their own.
For an example, when we first ever did that first review, I used that, and that honestly, that made my hair amazing.
Yeah.
But then there was a period then I used it quite often, and I did realise for my particular hair, using it maybe too often, you know.
Yeah.
But now for you, you've used it every morning, so we're all different.
I have greasy hair, so I have to wash my hair every day.
Yeah.
You don't have to wash your hair every day, and I think you were using it too much, so it might have been drying your hair out a bit.
But for a weekend, this is brilliant. You're not going to complain.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
So that is your shampoo, and it doesn't leave little bits in your hair or anything.
No frothy mess, no nothing.
Dandruff or anything like that. This stuff is incredible. So that's your shampoo, and that is... you can get it in 65ml, so an even smaller, tiny little one. Perfect for a weekend
size.
away.
Yeah.
Perfect. Even a week away.
Because that's a lot, actually. That would last you quite a long time.
That would last me 6 weeks.
Yeah, so you don't need this size bottle specifically for a weekend away, do you?
No.
Just go for a small one.
If you're going camping, for a week, a 65ml will do you.
Yeah.
Which is £2.35.
Yeah.
On their website, pitsandbits.co.uk. I will be putting a link in the description to this, by the way. This particular size, where are we? Need to find it. I've lost it. £4.45. Okay.
And that's for 3 months.
We were trying to say, what does it smell of? It's coconut, Mazzy.
Oh, coconut.
It's coconut flavour.
I thought it was Johnson's baby lotion. Yeah.
It's coconut flavour.
Oh.
So £4.45 for the shampoo. Then you've got the body wash. Now this is your thing really, but I'm not going to ask you to wash.
No.
But exactly the same principle. Body wash, £4.45 for 200ml, and I'm guessing you can get a small one for £2.49 as well. Yes, you can.
Again, you'll only need a small one for a week away, 2 weeks away, because that stretches.
It does. You don't need much. So I'm just going to put some on my arm, just a tiny bit on my arm there. Give it a rub in, and you can see it frothing up there.
Now this is actually a new product to me. This is kind of liquid. Whereas
these were foams, yeah.
Yeah, whereas this is the one I'm used to using if you want to get that lid off and just show the comparison of the two.
Oh, that smells gorgeous.
Let's have a smell.
Smell my arm.
Oh yeah, clean. Now I generally use this all the time. Well, I say all the time. Is, you know, when I'm not able to wash properly.
So that is your foam, you see. So
you didn't show it come out. There you go.
It comes out as a foam.
Yeah.
So that's your foam. This new one is a liquid, which has worked, does exactly the same job.
Again, it's just towel off. There's...
Yeah, I think they're the same smell, but I'm not 100% sure. And just towel off.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Really fresh and clean after those.
You know, looking at people in van lives, in caravans, in motorhome, if you haven't got a shower on your campsite, which a lot of them don't have, the smaller ones, this is perfect.
Or you just want a all over body wash in the mornings. That's what I do with this. Sometimes then I just get up and have a full body wash.
Because especially when you're full-time living in a van or motorhome, you've got to be very careful how much water you use. Oh,
that's a problem. It can be a problem if you're well camping and stuff.
You're constantly trying to fill up with water. So this is a godsend, it really is.
But going back to festivals, or you're just going around staying around with friends or family members or something for a certain length. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Don't be dragging the whole bathroom suite with you. Just a couple of bottles there.
What I'm looking for here, I don't think they do it, and they should. Oh, they do a festival wash kit.
Oh.
For £7.49.
Now that's cheap.
What do you get in that? Right, so you get one 65ml body wash, one 65ml shampoo, and 2 times 4, so you get 8 of these.
Oh wow!
So for £7.49,
you can wash.
You can
yourself.
get towels,
yeah,
body wash and shampoo, and it will take up no space in your bag whatsoever.
Yeah,
brilliant. Now, I've saved these till last because I've not seen these before.
No, these are the towels.
These are towels, Mazzy. Little towels, expandable wipes.
Now, I've seen, you can buy the kids' ones. They're in like a shape and all that. They're never this tiny.
No?
So, I'm quite intrigued for this.
I don't know anything about them. These are for a 9-pack, which is what this is, £2.99.
Oh, that's cheap.
Right, so for 9... And all you have to do is add water, I believe. I wonder if it'd work with just the body wash.
No, you probably need too much. Let me get a bowl of water.
Do you need water? Go on then.
Yeah.
Go get a bowl of water. So I'm just reading up on these. They expand. Like that is about 1.5 centimetres by 1.5 centimetres, yeah? Mm-hmm. They expand to 21 centimetre by 21 centimetres. The flannels, Mazzy. It makes a flannel.
Yeah.
So the idea is, put this in water. It'll make a flannel, and then you can use it for your
scrubbies.
For your scrubbing with your body wash. So shall we try it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
It's instant, Mazzy.
Okay.
It's instant. Wow. Okay, so we've got a flannel. That's incredible.
So I'm guessing these are just disposable, aren't they?
Yeah.
For the price and stuff.
Whoops. How?
Let's feel the quality. Okay, it's enough to do you for the one wash, isn't it?
How has one of them tiny little things made this big wash your face kind of thing? They're good. They're really good. I'll tell you what, you could wash that out, Mazzy, and use it again.
Yeah, you probably could,
really could.
Yeah.
It's not like them which, some of them you rub on your face and you just like peel away. It's not peeling away, so you could actually reuse that if you want it to be real scruffy.
Yeah.
I've got a bit of stubble here.
But for hygiene reasons, these are good as well. Just the one-use kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Brilliant. For hygiene.
Honestly, for camping...
The brilliant little kit. I love this. I love this little kit for camping, festivals, staying away, whatever.
They've sent us a bit of each thing there, but I like the idea of the Pits and Bits Festival Wash Kit.
Yeah.
A small one of them, and some of them, £7.49, and you can go away for a week quite happily and be clean.
Yeah.
We interrupt this review to add a little bit more into this review on a different day. Because I've been in touch with a company, I sent them the video I'd done, and they said, there's a few things there which you didn't pick up on. These little towels which we showed you, firstly, they are, what's the word?
Environmentally friendly?
Environmentally recyclable?
Depostable.
Yeah.
Depostable. Compostable.
Yeah, something like that. They're not going to harm the environment. They're not like baby wipes. That's what I'm getting at.
But I wouldn't still recommend flushing them down no toilet.
Oh, no. But they do degrade, yes. And... Biodegradable, that's what they are.
Yay!
We got there. And also commented saying the whole idea is you can use your body wash towel off to make this into the flannel.
Yeah, so you did question that, didn't you?
We put it into water, didn't we?
Yeah.
And I was thinking, well, that defeats the whole object of not needing water. You don't need water, you just use your body wash. So I'm going to try it now. I'm going to use my hands. I'm not going to use any bowl and put a bit in. I'm just going to put it in my hand and see what happens.
And then you can scrubby dubby with it.
Well, my hand's getting clean, I can see that.
No.
Yeah, it's coming apart.
With it. Well,
I need a bit more on there, but yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. So I'm just going to get it apart. Smells beautiful. Really smells clean. It smells pretty much the opposite of me. I need to use some of this later on, but I've got a big job to do after this. So there you go. So I'm going to wash my face again because I can. Honestly, I did this the other day and I felt so fresh. It's like a lemon. Got a bit of a lemon smell to it. It's lovely. Citrusy. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in just to let you know that it is biodegradable and you can make it into the flannel using this. You don't need water. Right, carry on with the video. Oh, by the way, before I go, one extra little thing she's added. We're giving you a discount. Well, we're not. They are. So I'm going to put links for Pits and Bits in the description and norinse.co.uk, which is where you can get your Nilaqua stuff, which we showed you. So go on any of them websites, order any of the products, and put in Travel Trolls 20 at the checkout. For what will they get for that, Mazzy?
Don't know.
The clue's in the discount
20%
code.
off.
20% off.
Well, there you go. You can use the code next time you need to order, can't you?
I can. I didn't think of that.
Yeah. Brilliant idea.
On with the video. So there you have it. There's really not much more to say about this. If you want a bigger than a 500ml of any of the Pits and Bits, you can still get hold of the Nilaqua in 500ml, which is what I tend to get. Just to let you know that.
You always buy that online, don't you?
I buy it online.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I get it from Amazon actually, but you can get it directly from Pits and Bits themselves. I'll put a link in the description where you can get them from. Yeah, very, very impressed. So thank you again, Pits and Bits, for sending this stuff out to me. We're going to make a lot of use out of that. This is
a great product, isn't it?
The thing is, I bought 3 of them, I think. This is my last one. I've just opened
that, yeah.
Yesterday. There's 3 months worth of washing my hair in there. And now I've got another 1.5 month there. So 4.5 months, I'm sorted.
Yeah.
I might even have a wash every 4 or 5 weeks.
Brilliant product though, yeah.
Thank you very much. Highly, highly recommend it. Get in the description, get yourself some.